let's also tell you that the anger against the gruesome rape and murder, and of course the mob violence which disrupted peaceful midnight protests in Kolkata only continues to grow. The Indian Medical Association is on a 24-hour nationwide strike with withdrawal of all services across the country. Only emergency and casualty services will continue to operate. OPDs, elective surgeries will all be non-operational. The IMA has listed 5 key demands. Key along this is the continued push for a central law for protection of doctors and to declare hospitals as safe zones with airport-level security in place. The doctors have also demanded a complete overhaul of the working and living conditions. And of course, in terms of meticulous investigation of any crime in a specific time frame. Neha Hebale, my colleague, joins me from Bengaluru. I understand she is joining us from an extremely reputed medical center, which is Fortis. Neha, a very good morning. Given the fact that what we're looking at and the implications of the same, which is why the IMA felt like they had to put forth this bigger message in terms of their demands, what is it looking like in terms of impact in Bengaluru?
Well, Nivedana, yes, it's about 8 in the morning, and this, of course, the Fortis Hospital, one of the biggest hospitals over here in Bengaluru today, is donning a rather empty look. While, of course, on one hand, you have there the entire hospital that's shut down its OPD in line, of course, with the IMA's protest call there. Several people who you see entering, who often take a right here to get into the OPD, are now either having to do a U-turn or, in fact, they're being directed straight ahead to the emergency. You'd, of course, be able to see the manner in which, of course, many people too, of course, who aren't very, affluent with the fact that there is a strike today, are having to come to the hospitals and find out. This right here, of course, the entry to the OPD. Remember, of course, there are several OPDs inside, all of which remain shut today. Barely, a handful of doctors, a couple of doctors over here who are working out of the emergency now, ensuring that essential services should remain unimpacted, even as they're trying to send out their message loud and clear that they want safety on duty. Of course, through the day, we'll really have to wait and see what kind of an impact the strike is really going to have, because, the biggest hospitals today across the country are keeping their doors shut.